Alright guys, so welcome to today's video. Actually, today's video is actually, I know you've seen the title already, how to make $50, how to earn $50 over and over and over and over again. So actually I came across it on Facebook. I saw a friend of mine posted about it, and it was actually going viral. People actually showing interest. They wanted to join that program, a very big business opportunity that anyone can actually get started right away without without investments, without any website, no traffic, no any different technical stuffs. Very simple. In fact, once you just sign up, you earn $5. So I also showed interest, and then I joined. I actually requested to join. So when I joined, let me see. When I joined, okay, this is the website, Guaranteed Downline Club. There's a link under the video. Just click on the link. That's my referral link. So just click on the video, and then you'll be able to register your account. So you can see when I signed up, I got $5. Now, one thing again is, most of all this, some websites, all these scamming websites or spam websites, they just waste your time. Most times you see their dollars after the figure, but this is looking legit and is looking actually real. And when I went through the portal, I can see where after my due review, and I've checked everything, I think it's still okay. It's still okay, though I'm not going to give it 100%, but I think it's still okay. After I'm not investing anything. I'm not investing kobo into it. Just a little time. I just used to sign up, and that's all. So I think you also can give this a try. You can check it out. Just click on the link under this video, register. So once you sign up, you earn $5 instantly credited to your account. I just registered as well. So once you register, then you continue to earn when you refer people. As I'm referring you right now. So if you sign up through my link, it means I'm referring you to this platform. So when you refer people, you earn I think is it half a dollar? No, not half a dollar. You earn 0.05. Yes, 0.05. That means if you invite about 10 people, 0.05 per person per referral. So if you invite 10 persons, that would be equivalent to $5. Yes. So if you invite 100 persons, that would be equivalent to $50. So it's just as simple as that. So I think it's a very good way to make money at this time. You don't need to do anything. Just pick up your referral link here, right here. You can see it's copied already. I just clicked on here, and then it's copied. Referral URL is copied successfully. So just copy it, and then you can use Bitly. You can clone it, or you can just use it like this and begin to tell people to sign up using this link. It's as simple as that. So just go ahead. There's a link under this video. Click on the link, and then to go take you to this website to register. So once you register, you get instant $5. So when you get $5, once you continue to refer people, and you refer as many people as you can, and then you make your way to $50, then you can now withdraw your earnings. So please, I'm actually begging you, please sign up through my link, so that I can actually quickly make another video showing the proof, the testimonial, whether I was able to get my money or not. So, and the withdrawal is actually through PayPal. Yes, they pay you via PayPal. So I actually went about to the about section of the site, about what, then I read, and I actually saw it there that you earn $5 on sign up, and which is true, because when immediately I signed up, I got the $5 credited instantly. So give this a try. You are not spending anything. It's all free, nothing, no wahala, nothing. Just go ahead, click on the link under this video, and then sign up. You get $5. Then try as much as possible to refer as many people as you can, and then let's hope they're going to pay us, or it's going to be something profitable that we can actually bank on. So go ahead and click on the link under this video to sign up for free and earn your first $5 and earn more and more money. So if you have not signed up to, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please, I want you to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Like the video and turn on the notification bell, so you get stuff like this. I'm going to be bringing more stuff like this that are going to make real money for us without doing any hard work. And one more thing, yes, you can ask me questions. You can ask under the video if you have question for me, or you can contact me on Facebook. Yes, contact me on Facebook right here, John Anavilore. I'm going to drop a link to my Facebook profile, so you can contact me, or if you want to join my Facebook group, there's also a link to join my Facebook group. But two things is very important right now. The two things very important is, number one, subscribe to my channel, so you don't miss future updates on how to make money like this, business opportunities like this, make money online opportunities like this. And number two is, please sign up via my referral link under this video. You see the link under this video, $50. Yes, that's Bitly link. Just click on it, then take you to the site to register, and then you are done. So thank you very much, and I hope you are going to sign up via my link. So if you have any question, remember you can drop under this video, or you can contact me on Facebook. Everything, you find a link for anything you need under in the description section of this video. So thank you very much for checking by. If you are new to my channel, please don't go away without subscribing. Just click on the subscribe button, and I really appreciate it a lot. So thank you for staying around. My name is John Anavi once again. Enjoy the rest of your day, and bye bye.